Hey there, welcome to video module 6, state-of-the-art tracker. Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about the tracker, okay, which is very important for mobile CPA marketing. And that's also the separation from a normal affiliate and a super affiliate, right? As far as I know, most of the super affiliates, they are using a tracker, because only in this way you will know the detailed information about your traffic, right? Okay, so let's say state-of-the-art tracker, let's say from CPFlab or Folium, right? There's also like those free tracker like ProSport 202 and NewBidder, right? This kind of free softwares. But let's say if you want to do long-term business, try to use the best trackers. Okay, they are CPFlab or Folium. For CPFlab is self-hosted on your own VPS hosting, right? This means only you can access your hosting, no one else. This means it's very good for you to keep all the information just for your own use, right? And no one else can access your campaign if there's a very winning campaign. And also for CPFlab, you can set up a lot of variations by simply testing, right? So this is the advantage of CPFlab, and also CPFlab is not very pricey, right? It's a one-time payment software. So besides that, it will be coming with 1 year or yearly update, but that's optional, and we are not forced to do that update. This means it's only one-time payment. Besides that, CPFlab is also mobile compatible. This means you can use your mobile phone to access CPFlab at any time. Right? This is very convenient. And for Folium is a third-party cloud-hosted tracking solution. The interface is looking very awesome. It's looking very awesome. And also the function inside Folium is just like you can just basically you can do anything with Folium. All kinds of traffic you can, right? And also the redirecting of Folium is very fast, right? The optimization of a campaign inside Folium is very easy because everything is very distinct, and also it's very convenient to process all the optimization work, right? So it will be up to you, right? For Folium, it costs for the startup, it costs 99 per month. It includes 1 million clicks, right? So basically, it's enough for startup. It will be really optional for you if you want to use CPFlab or Folium, but basically these two ones are working very well. Okay. So besides this, I would like to show you guys about the trackingtokens.com, right? Because we need to set up the tracker, right? Configure the tracker. So for any kind of traffic, we need to set up the tokens properly, right? For this website, right? Trackingtokens.com. It's really the full collection of all the popular traffic sources, right? So basically, you can find all those tokens on this website. This means you can use trackingtokens.com to set up activities tracking tokens on your tracker, right? So you can see that everything that are listed here, which is very convenient for us to use, right? Okay, so let's go back. For here, I just want to give a detailed example for the settings of your CPFlab or your Folium, because CPFlab and Folium basically there are two options, but they do the same thing, right? Tracking for your campaigns. Okay. So for example, I will use one offer from ClickDealer, right, to show you the example of the settings of a tracker, right, for the offer that you are promoting. For example, for ClickDealer is a cake system. It's a cake network, right? For example, this is the link from one of the offer that we are promoting. Usually, this is for S1, right? This default by S1, but S1 is this kind of token is already used by Cake Network, so we will use stuff from S2, S3, or S4, S10, right? So, but in any case, if we are using S2, this means we'll leave here blank as blank. This means the unique ID of the sub ID will be appended to this link, and then once this click have a conversion, the click dealer, the CPA network, will post back this link to the tracker so that the tracker will know which click is having the conversion, right? So let's say if here we use S4, right? So here we also need to use S4, right? Just to make it congruent, right? For example, if we select this, we use S4 as the click ID, right? So we post back this click ID to the CPFLab, so you will know this click ID have a conversion. And for Folium, you will be working the same, right? For example, for Folium here, here S4 will be, and for the S4, it will be the let's say it will be the click ID, right? And also here, okay, and sub ID is click ID, right? So for volume is working the same, right? It's basically doing the same thing, right? So for configuring a tracker with the different tokens, let's say you can use this website, right? Once everything is configured, we set up a campaign, and for the offer is something like this, right? We need to post back the unique ID to the tracker so that it will knows which unique click is having the conversion, right? So this is just a live example for how to set up the tracker when you get it in use. And in the next video is also a bonus live case study that I guide a client for setting up a live campaign with Propeller ads, right, using CPFLab. Okay, so inside that video, everything is going from zero, right? It's very detailed case study for using, for selecting offer, setting up campaign in Propeller ads, and also using CPFLab to set the postback. Okay, so everything. So if you have any problems with setting up a tracker or setting up a live campaign with Propeller ads, just refer to the following video. Okay, let's see each other in the next one.